Now, in a recent turn of events, there have been 122 members of Congress which voted to be a part of a lawsuit that brought Texas and 17 states that joined in the effort to try and overturn the election of the battleground states of Georgia, Michigan, Pennsylvania, and Washington, which handed Democrat Joe Biden the White House win. Now, with the recent turn of events, this makes you wonder how many of these representatives actually know and understand the Constitution, as you can see from the following amendments. Now, Amendment 14, Section 13 says that no person shall be a senator or representative in Congress or elector, a president and or vice president, or hold any office, civil or military, under the United States or any state who have been previously taken an oath as a member of Congress or as an officer of the United States or as a member of any state legislature or as an executive or judicial officer of any state to support the Constitution of the United States shall have engaged in insurrection or rebellion against the same or given aid to comfort to the enemies thereof. But Congress may be, by a vote of 2/3 of each house, remove the said disability. Now, as you can see, that Alabama, South Carolina had 5, Arizona, Arkansas, and Colorado had 2, followed by California with 4, Florida with 9, Illinois, Idaho, Iowa, Kansas, Michigan, Nebraska, Oklahoma, Washington, and Indiana, Louisiana 4. Virginia had 3, Maryland, Montana, New York, New Jersey, Wisconsin had 1, while Georgia, Missouri, North Carolina, Ohio, Tennessee had 6, and Pennsylvania 7, and Texas leads the pack at 16. For a list of the full names by state are as follows. Might want to pause this so you can see the actual names, from Alabama to Arizona to Arkansas to the representatives in California, the representatives in Colorado, Georgia, Florida, Idaho, Illinois, Iowa, Kansas, Louisiana, Maryland, Michigan, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Tennessee, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, and of course Texas again leads out the pack with 16. For all the latest, stay with Hollywood Happenings. For the latest. Now that would take, there is a total of 400, and 25 senators minus 122. Congress that went along with this is 122 of the Congress members, for a total of 435 minus 122 leaves 313, which is 2/3 of that would be 208 in order to make this happen. Stay with Hollywood Happenings for the latest.